Hey, what's up everybody? It's Finance with AI. Welcome back to the channel where we help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Now look, we all know that budgeting is the foundation of sound financial planning, right? I mean, it's how you make your money work for you. But let's be real here, sticking to a budget can sometimes feel like you're trying to climb Mount Everest. It's tough. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to break it down into some super practical, easy to follow tips that'll help you conquer that budget and reach your financial summit. Let's kick things off with the most crucial step: tracking your spending. Think of it like this. You wouldn't drive cross-country without a GPS, would you? Tracking your spending is like using a financial GPS. It tells you exactly where your money is going. There are many ways to track your spending, from spreadsheets to budgeting apps. Personally, I love using Mint. It tracks transactions, categorizes them, and gives insights. You'll be amazed by what you learn about your habits. Awareness is key. Identify spending leaks and redirect that money towards your goals. Ditch the financial guesswork and start tracking like a pro. Let's talk about impulse buying. You know, that sudden urge to buy something you hadn't planned for? We've all been there. It's like a silent budget killer. Here's the deal with impulse purchases. They're usually driven by emotions, not logic. You see a shiny new gadget or a trendy pair of shoes, and your brain gets flooded with feel-good chemicals that make you want to buy it now, no matter what. But then, the initial excitement wears off, and you're left with buyer's remorse, wondering why you ever thought you needed that thing in the first place. So, how do you avoid falling into the impulse buying trap? Implement a 24-hour rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, give yourself a 24-hour cooling-off period. Walk away from the temptation, go home, and really think about whether you need it or just want it in the heat of the moment. Remember, every dollar you don't spend on an impulse purchase is a dollar you can put towards your financial goals. Chapter 3. Budgeting apps, your secret weapon to financial control. Budgeting apps make managing your money easier than ever before. Mint connects to all your financial accounts, giving you a comprehensive view. It tracks your income, categorizes transactions, and sends personalized alerts. Another option is YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB helps you allocate every dollar towards specific expenses or savings goals. Find the right app, and it's like having a personal finance guru in your pocket. Chapter 4. Set realistic goals, the key to staying motivated. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to stick to a budget is setting unrealistic goals. They try to cut back too much, too soon, and end up feeling deprived and discouraged. So, how do you set realistic financial goals? It's all about starting small and gradually increasing the challenge over time. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight, focus on making small, sustainable changes. For example, instead of vowing to never eat out again, start by reducing your restaurant meals from 3 times a week to 2. When I first started out in real estate, I knew I wanted to save up for a down payment on an investment property. But instead of getting overwhelmed by the total amount, I broke it down into smaller, more manageable monthly savings goals. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged if you slip up occasionally, it's all part of the process. Write down your goals and track your progress. There's something incredibly motivating about seeing how far you've come and how close you are to achieving your dreams. Chapter 5. Reward yourself. Celebrate your successes. Sticking to a budget doesn't have to mean depriving yourself of all the things you enjoy. In fact, rewarding yourself for your financial discipline can be a powerful motivator. When you achieve a financial goal, no matter how big or small, take the time to celebrate your success. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and blow your entire budget on a shopping spree. The key is to find rewards that align with your values and budget. Maybe it's treating yourself to a nice dinner at home, buying that book you've been eyeing, or taking a weekend getaway. The point is to acknowledge your hard work and give yourself something to look forward to. So go ahead, reward yourself for your hard work, you deserve it. Outro, that's a wrap. There you have it. Those are my top tips for sticking to your budget like a pro. Remember, managing your finances doesn't have to be overwhelming. By implementing these practical strategies, you can take control of your money, achieve your financial goals, and live a more fulfilling life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome finance content. And hey, let me know in the comments down below which tip resonated with you the most. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, keep crushing it with your finances. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more awesome finance content.